Hi everyone, it's Soil Merchant from Tactar Solutions. In this tutorial, I am going to introduce you an amazing tool that Microsoft has introduced in Microsoft Word that helps us to translate your data, your paragraph, your text into another language by just a click of buttons. So let's dive into Microsoft Word to learn more about that tool. Now we are in Microsoft Word, and on my screen you can see that I have a paragraph that defines Pakistan. Some information about Pakistan, and I have copied this paragraph from Wikipedia. Now I want to convert this paragraph into national language of Pakistan, that is Urdu, right? So let's step in how we can do this task. First, you need to go to your review tab, and under this review tab you can find this translate option. Now when you click on this translate option, you can find further two options, translate selection and translate document. Now this translate selection means that you want to translate some part of your text, paragraph or document. Now when you want to convert or translate some part of text, you can take help from this translate selection, and when you want to translate your complete document, at that point of time you can take help from translate document. So at this point of time I am taking help from translate selection. Let's click on it. On my right side you can see translator panel has been opened, having three portions, one from, then we have two. Now this means the text that is originally in my document, and this means the language I want to translate. Now before moving on further, we can see that we have multiple languages from this drop down. Now let's suppose at this point of time I am interested to translate this text into French. So let's search out for French, and here it's French. Now let's just select the paragraph, and when you will release your mouse, this paragraph will auto-populate in your from text box. Now you can see that the paragraph has been populated in your from text box, and it's already converted into French. And by this point you can also come across this newly insert button, which will help you to take your paragraph, converted or translated paragraph on your document. Now if you want to take this translated paragraph on your document, you can overwrite it, your original paragraph. Just select it and press insert button. The original paragraph will be replaced with this translated paragraph. Second option, you can enter yourself into a new line, and you can insert this translated paragraph into your new line as a new paragraph. Now at this point of time, since we are interested in conversion of this paragraph into Urdu, so let's choose Urdu language, and I want to insert this translation as a new paragraph. Therefore I am staying on a new line cursor and insert. Now you can see that the paragraph has been translated. Now I can see both English and Urdu version of my document or my paragraph. Now if I want to convert this paragraph, both paragraph, that is my complete document, into Urdu or let's suppose French, what I can do, go to document section. Now since we have multiple language, therefore I am selecting autodidact, and this time I want to convert this paragraph into French. So from the drop down list I am selecting French. Just click translate, and it will take few seconds to convert your text into French, and here you go. We have French language on our screen, right? So this is the beauty of translator available in Microsoft Word. Hope you like this video. Do not forget to press subscribe button and bell icon besides it to get updates about new tutorials every day.